Let's talk about how fix dev error fab in the Warzone after update fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step.
But hold your fire, soldier. There's hope on the horizon. We're about to explore a comprehensive arsenal of proven troubleshooting tips and effective solutions to eradicate dev errors permanently, so you can reclaim your battlefield. First things first, ensure your game client and graphics drivers are fully updated. Developers often release fixes for known errors, like so a simple update could resolve it swiftly. Don't forget to check your operating system too, as outdated components can cause hidden compatibility issues. A quick restart after all updates are installed can often work wonders, allowing the changes to fully integrate.
Corrupted cache files are a surprisingly frequent culprit for many dev errors. Navigate to your game's installation directory and look for specific folders like player or data which hold temporary files. Deleting these particular cache files will force the game to rebuild them cleanly upon restart. Be careful not to delete essential game files, focusing only on the temporary cache.
Sometimes critical game files can become corrupted or go missing during a large update. Use your game launcher's built-in repair or verify option. Whether you're on Battle.net or Steam, this powerful tool will scan your entire installation for discrepancies and automatically replace any damaged or missing files. It's a quick, automated, and often highly effective fix for many underlying game stability issues. Dev errors can occasionally be triggered by graphics settings that are simply too demanding for your current system configuration, lowering your texture quality, shadow details, or even your overall rendering resolution significantly. Experiment with different settings, starting with the lowest possible, then gradually increasing them until the error no longer appears. This careful adjustment can stabilize your game's performance and prevent unexpected crashes.